A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a significant legal ruling, Epping Forest District Council has successfully secured a temporary high court injunction, compelling the removal of asylum seekers from the Bell Hotel in Epping, Essex. This decision comes in the wake of escalating tensions and public protests surrounding the hotel, which have raised serious concerns within the local community. The injunction was granted by Mr. Justice Eyre, who ordered that all asylum seekers must vacate the premises by 1600 hours British Summer Time on September 12th. The council's move to seek this injunction was largely influenced by the recent arrest of an asylum seeker residing at the hotel, who has been charged with sexually assaulting a 14-year-old girl. This incident has sparked outrage and protests from both sides of the debate, those opposing the housing of asylum seekers in the area and those advocating for migrant rights. The protests have seen a mix of peaceful demonstrations and, unfortunately, instances of violence, leading to multiple arrests and injuries among police officers. Epping Forest District Council's leader, Chris Whitbread, expressed relief at the court's ruling, emphasizing that the situation had placed an intolerable strain on the community. He called for continued peaceful protests, urging residents to recognize that this ruling is just the beginning of a longer process. The hotel, owned by Samani Hotels Limited, has been at the center of controversy, with the council arguing that its use for housing asylum seekers violates planning regulations. Philip Koppel KC, representing the council, highlighted that the hotel was being used in a manner that was inconsistent with its intended purpose. Despite the ruling, lawyers for the hotel and the Home Secretary indicated plans to appeal the decision, warning that such a precedent could have far-reaching implications for the housing of asylum seekers across the UK. The Home Office had previously cautioned that the injunction could significantly disrupt its ability to accommodate asylum seekers, stressing the operational challenges that would arise from such a swift removal. As the community grapples with the aftermath of these events, the council is now tasked with pursuing a permanent injunction to prevent similar situations in the future. The recent protests have highlighted the deep divisions within the community regarding the treatment of asylum seekers and the broader immigration policy. With tensions still high, local leaders are calling for calm and dialogue as they navigate this complex and sensitive issue. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.